what I see here is a Craftmade Pro Builder ceiling fan.
You wore a hat that day. You were supposed to wear a hat.
You wore a hat. I wore my command and I. These were always taken during social work. And
sorry about those people in the background.
That's one leadership group.
Sky, 4-way light fixture. Oops.
She's now an administrative assistant.
Way.
She's like, I've known you for a while.
Light fixture.
Yeah.
Well, that's funny. John and I agreed we would stay here for 2 or 3 years.
That's true. We did say that. That's our good friend Pam.
Oh yeah.
Now I'm going to turn the fan on and start the high speed.
Do they live on that island?
They still live on the island, yeah.
They unsubscribed.
I know, there's so many people. Well, the server's at 200 people. Oh yeah, we're touring a building.
Yeah.
Another doctor. Oh, we took our masks off just now.
Let's go to medium.
We love social workers.
Yeah.
He loved himself.
He did. He was pretty full of himself. Yeah, he was full of
It's
himself.
like giving game show host to me a little bit.
Yeah.
This was the 90th anniversary.
Organization. Wow, you guys.
Because it was the 90th.
Yeah.
And 90th anniversary of social work in the VA.
That's amazing.
That was social work. Oh,
Let's go to low.
this is Andy. I forgot. They dressed him up to look like my assistant. Because I had him at me. So they put a wig and they gave him a cardigan and little glasses. This was a dance contest that social work won. With a whole
Yes.
facility.
The social workers could give a couple of.
We got
White.
a couple of folks who majored in dance.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they
The theater did show up for that,
Oh
right?
yeah, they were like, yeah, some theater and dance background, they were both.
And off.
When we went remote, of course, the sound was actually a lot larger, but everyone wasn't there in person.
Stop it. Wobbling a little bit. Don't want it to fall. And yeah, that is the Craftmade Pro Builder ceiling fan. Yeah. It's also installed in the living room at my aunt and uncle's house.
Here it is.
This was an
What?
administrative assistant that
What?
left and went to Colorado.
Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment, rate, and subscribe.